Starr County Commissioners call for special meetings to remove a newly appointed Justice of the Peace.
CBS 4's Ashley Custer was at today's meeting and has the latest.
A special meeting called Monday in Starr County to discuss the removal of Justice of the Peace Judge Maria Amira Salinas for Precinct 8. And it was the only item listed on the agenda.
I am confused, like I said. I'm doing my job to the best of my ability with dignity, helping my community in every way I was sworn to do.
Judge Salinas was appointed as Justice of the Peace just 6 months ago. However, when she filed as a candidate for the Tax Assessor Collector's Office on November 17th, it seems to have prompted some confusion.
As the facts were presented, Ms. Salinas had pretty much resigned from her position on that date, and that she needed to be replaced. So that's the reason we called this meeting, because the last thing we want to do is put the county in any liability of any cases that she might be hearing that we might not have the authority to hear.
However, after some time behind closed doors, the court came back to announce that they are tabling the issue to revisit at a later date.
We were in executive session going back and forth as to law, what's right, what's wrong, and it's the one thing we agreed on is that it's very vague. The law is vague as to what we should or shouldn't do.
From a layman's perspective, because it doesn't have a finite date on the statute, it doesn't say specifically on November the 15th, 2016, then a layperson will think that that is vague, but legally speaking, the statute's pretty clear. We are following Attorney General opinions, we are following case law, and we are following the recommendations from the Association of Counties as well.
It's why Canales wrote this letter advising the court against removing Judge Salinas.
The controlling matter here is, when does the term end for that appointed JP? Because if that appointed JP has less than a year and 30 days from the date of her announcement, then there is no resignation. Our Constitution provides for an automatic trigger, an automatic resignation, if you have more than a year and 30 days.
Canales believes because Judge Salinas was appointed to fulfill an unexpired term, her appointment ends November 8th of the general election, which is less than the 13-month time frame. Therefore, Canales writes, the court has no authority to appoint a new person as the Precinct 8 Justice of the Peace because there is no necessary resignation and no vacancy to fill. In Starr County, Ashley Custer, CBS 4 News and ValleyCentral.com.
Canales says Starr County has also submitted a request to the Texas Attorney General's office seeking an opinion on the matter.